Hello, everyone. Why settle for ordinary when you can wear luxury? The Casio Edifice redefines elegance in men's watches. With a sleek black ion-plated finish and stainless steel band, it's not just a timepiece. It's a masterpiece designed for those who appreciate excellence. Step up your game with its high-performing 10-second stopwatch and multifunctional chronograph display. Whether timing laps or tracking split seconds, this watch is built for accuracy. Engineered to ensure exceptional reliability, it boasts a remarkable 2-year battery life to keep you on the go. Crafted with mineral glass, a stainless steel case, and 100-meter water resistance, the Edifice handles both everyday challenges and adventurous pursuits. Its rugged yet refined design ensures you'll look sharp, whether at the office or poolside. Featuring a multi-dimensional layered dial and bold subdials, this timepiece exudes luxurious appeal. Its large, easy-to-read face reflects both technical sophistication and timeless style, making it the ultimate accessory for every modern watch enthusiast. Don't just wear a watch, make a statement. The Casio Edifice Chronograph is now available. Enhance your style and embrace unstoppable performance. Visit the link in the description below and secure yours now.